Hey, Facebook land and YouTube land. It's been a little while since I went live here on my channel, and I'm happy to be back. So today I want to talk to you about this is so easy, my 14-year-old could do it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about my work from home business. Yep, sure am. So I'm going to tell you why I believe this is so easy that my 14-year-old could do it. I could do it. You could do it. Should do it. Okay, so what am I talking about? I'm talking about my Ibuumerang business. If you've been watching me, you've heard me talk about Ibuumerang. We are a travel technology company. I actually launched my business with them in April. So if you are new to my channel or new to my page, just hop over to my YouTube channel. It's my name, Liz Pevytoe, and you will be able to get the full story. I hold nothing back. I'm very, very transparent in my journey. I've told you how I've done it 7 days, at 14 days, at 21 days, at 60 days, at 90 days. So I have kept everybody up to date with my progress with my Ibuumerang business. In fact, my 7-day video, how I enrolled 22 reps and customers in 7 days, has gone a little bit, for me, viral. I think I have 5,000 views on that video over there on YouTube, because people are like, wait a minute, how can somebody enroll that many people in 7 days? The truth is, this is a pretty easy business, but I am going to tell you the top two reasons why you should join my team with Ibuumerang. So if you're already with Ibuumerang, this might not be of any value to you. But if you're not with Ibuumerang and you have been stalking me, I know some of you have been, or you've just been looking around, you've been wondering, you've been trying to figure out who you should enroll with, what team you should be on, I'm going to tell you why you should enroll with me. That's what I'm going to go over today. So let me hop over really fast, because I don't see comments on this Be Live. So I just want to make sure that I am showing up. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm good. All right. So thank you so much for joining. Again, my name is Liz Pevytoe. I've been a registered nurse since 1995. I am now in network marketing. Crazy story. I got totally burned out, and network marketing gave me a way out. Okay. So that's it. So the basic reason that this is a simple business is because with Ibuumerang, we give away free customer travel savings websites. We give them away. There's no membership fees. There's no nothing. They get them 100% free. I give them. If you travel and you want to travel at a discount, get with me. Okay, that's on not the topic today, but if you're watching this and you're like, hey, I want a free travel site, I'll give you a free travel site. It's just that simple. And then I also teach people how to give away free travel sites and earn money doing that. So that's what I do with this business. I give away sites, and I teach people how to do giveaway sites. Super duper easy, but I'm going to tell you the 2 reasons to join my team. Okay. Number 1 reason you should join my team is me. Yeah, I'm going to go there. No, seriously. Going to go there. I'm just kidding. So, I mean, I am a child of the king and all. So let's start with that. I'm trying to be funny. So, okay. No, why is it important to align with me? Number 1, I am full-time doing this. I'm not working a full-time job and doing this on the side. I'm not every other couple days you'll see me online. This is my full-time thing. Now, a little disclaimer, full-time is not 12 hours a day like when I was an emergency room nurse. It's not like that at all. Full-time in network marketing is a few hours a day. So a typical day for me looks like I post like a video like this, or a post on Facebook, and then I follow up with people who say that they're interested. So I either give them a free website, or I send them more information about the rep opportunity. And then I help my team, and then I do follow-ups on the people that I've talked to previously. So that's just like an average day for me in network marketing. And I do want to just point out, if you've followed me for a while or you don't know me, I do have an autoimmune disease. So I haven't gone live in like 5 days, which is unusual for me. I usually go live every couple days to inspire people, to encourage people, or to talk about the business opportunity. But I haven't been able to go live for 5 days because I had been in bed for 5 days. So last night, I was able to get out of bed and actually wash my hair for the first time in a week. So this business, I was still working. I just wasn't able to go live. So I was still able to follow up with people. I was still able to send information out. I wasn't like talking about being sick or in bed. But that is one of my reasons why I'm in network marketing and working from home, is because when I have bad days, I don't have to call in sick to work. So I'm still available to you even when I'm in bed as a leader. Another really cool thing about me and my team is there are only 4 people between me and the very top at Ibuumerang, because Ibuumerang launched in March. So just to give you a little perspective, with my last company, I believe there was something like 57 people between me and the top person. So, and most of those people were inactive. I'll just say it, or a lot of those people were inactive. My sponsor went inactive. So I am full-time. My sponsor and all the 4 people above him are full-time as well. So one of the main things I've learned with network marketing is that, hey guys, one of the main things I've learned with network marketing is this is a team sport. If you try to do it all yourself, it's so much harder. I tried to do it all myself with my last company, and I was not able to get to the level that I needed to be at to provide, to make a difference in my family financially. So you need to use me. If you come on my team, I want you to put me to work. I want you to have me do 3-way calls. I want you to ask me questions. I want you to do my trainings and let me coach you. Same with my sponsor Mike and his sponsor Tommy. We are all available to you to help you grow your business. Like I said, teamwork is so important. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about why my team is better than other Ibuumerang teams. I'm just going to say it. It's because it's true. And let me tell you how I know that it's true. I have at least 10 to 15 people per week contact me from other teams asking me for help. Also asking me for the tools that I'm about to show you. The other teams have heard through the grapevine the amazing tools that our team has, and they're like, hey, can you share the tools with me? And as much as we'd love to share with everybody, that's part of the privilege of being on our team, is that you get access to these tools for free. So let me share my screen really quick. Let me start with, hold on just a second. Now let me do a different view here. Okay. So these are some of the things that you're going to see, that you're going to get when you enroll with me, that are free to our team members, okay? And they actually come from my sponsor, Mike Healy. Let me hold on just one second. Let me get organized here so I can see everything. I'm going to be looking over here. So let me just scroll down and show you. Okay, so this is a website, a training website that we are able to utilize to send to our prospects when they have questions. And it answers most of their questions. So it's a really cool, this website is just a really cool resource in itself. Now let's talk about some amazing bonuses here. So we have a private team training group. That's for after you become a representative. We have a private team training group. Again, you're seeing one of the websites we have. We have another website that you can utilize. And then we have a chat bot. So if you don't know, raise your hand if you've never heard of a chat bot. I'm going to wait just a second and see if we have, how many people we have here going here. Raise your hand if you've never heard of a chat bot, and I'll tell you what it is. If most of you have heard of a chat bot, then I'll keep going. I'll just quickly go over a chat bot. is a messenger bot where you can send videos directly through Messenger by tapping one button inside your Messenger. And these bots usually cost around $5,000 to $10,000 to create. And our team leader, Mike, has partnered with a guy named Chad who created this chatbot for us. And so, like, if somebody has questions about the compensation plan, I can quickly just send them a compensation plan video. They want to see the presentation, I can send them that right directly through Facebook Messenger. So you never have to get off Facebook Messenger. You never have to send them to another resource. You could do everything right there from Facebook. So that's a chatbot. When you enroll as a TSA, a Travel Savings Ambassador through my team, Mike gives you access to this $500 course. It's absolutely fantastic. It's called Network Marketing Mastery. It helps you, understand how to do, social media marketing. And then if you enroll in our top package, you get his $1,000 pack or $1,000 course here called, what is it called? I don't remember what it's called, but anyway, I think it's called Social Media Mastery. Anyway, so we have trainings, but let me show you this other tool that we have that's really fantastic. So hold on a second. I'm going to move this back down, and I'm going to share this page. Stand by for just a second. Okay, so sorry, somebody's messaging me here. Okay. So let me change the screen again so you can see that big. Okay, so I'm going to show you. We have an information group that's called 5-Star Business Group that we can add our prospects to in this group. We just started this group a few days ago. You can't really see very well here. We're almost up to 300 people in the group in just under a week. So the cool thing about this group is you just add your people to the group, and then you tag them, or invite them. You can't really add anybody to groups anymore, so you invite them to join the group. So if someone expresses interest in the business model, you add them to our group, and then you tag them in the announcement message here, which is a 10-minute business presentation, a fabulous one done by our leader, Mike Healy. And then there's all kinds of neat, like we have the Holton Bugs presentation here. People share, they share their testimonials about saving money on travel. So this is really great way to introduce your prospects to the team, to the culture that we have, to the support that we have. You can literally grow your entire business just using this one tool right here, this group. You put a post out on Facebook, people express interest, you add them to the group, then you follow up with them and they enroll. Okay, so it's really, really simple. Also, in addition to Mike's training, let me go ahead and just go back to full screen with me here. Hold on just a second. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Give me just a sec. Stand by for technical difficulties. Okay, so I have, for my team members that enroll with me, I offer a free access to my workshops. I have a workshop called Powerful Posts, and I also have a workshop called Going Live. So I give all of my team members access to my courses for free as well. So best part is, did you know with Ibuumerang you can enroll for as little as $49.95? You can become a member for as little as $49.95. So in our packs, our business packs go from $250, $500, and $1,000. But you can start out for as little as $49.95. And let me just tell you, that's what I did. I wanted to get into the back office. I wanted to learn about the team. I wanted to watch all the videos, figure out if it was really a good place for me. And then 5 days later, I upgraded to one of the business packs. So you can still earn commissions, partial commissions at the $49.95 level. I'm not going to get into that because our videos, our presentations get into that. If you want to watch the full presentation, you can it's an interactive presentation. Takes about 10 minutes. Go to www.ibuumerang.com. That's BUUMARMY.com. You can watch the full presentation there to understand what the different packs are, the membership fees, all that kind of stuff. But you can start at $49.95 and upgrade, or you can just jump right in and go at the full speed. So like I said, what I did was I joined at the $49.95 level to set my place in the compensation plan. Because guys, this business is growing by leaps and bounds. So every day that you wait and don't sign up, you're getting further and further down in my downline. Okay, we only have 2 legs. So it's real important. If you've been watching me for a while and you've been contemplating enrolling, the time is now. The time is now. I am serious. The longer you wait, the lower down you get. I mean, I have people who have been telling me they were going to enroll for months, and I have like 20 people above them now because they've been waiting. So don't delay. Get your spot held, and then I am confident that you're going to want to upgrade and take full advantage of the full compensation plan. So you have 60 days to upgrade from the time you enroll. If you don't enroll at the top package, you have 60 days to go enroll up, or you can just say, you know what, it's not for me. If that's okay, that's all right. But your place gets held in the compensation plan. So if you're interested in learning more about it, go visit that ibuumerang.com and watch the presentation. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is to contact me or comment on this post, and I'll contact you so we can get you started. So I can get you plugged in. I'm going to get you plugged into Mike's group, into my group, get you all those freebies, and we'll get you started and get your business launched. Because that's a big thing, guys. I'm going to end with this. That's a big thing in network marketing. So many people join companies and they never launch. They don't know how to launch. And I help you launch because it's important. This is a business. This isn't a lottery ticket. This is a business. So I want to help you launch your business so that you're successful. Because here's the thing. If you don't make money, the truth is it's about making money. You can help more people. It cracks me up when people say, oh, I'm doing this to help people. You can help more people when you have more money. So my goal for you is for me to help you make as much money as quickly as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video on why you should join my team, and follow me on Facebook or subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and I'll talk to you later.